Hello ladies, welcome to our hypoallergenic makeup tutorial. In today's video I would like to show you how to create fresh, sunny holiday makeup. Are you interested? Keep on watching. I warm up hypoallergenic Mat&Smooth makeup base in my hands and apply it to the face. Once the primer is on, I will be using hypoallergenic Aqua jelly makeup. I will apply it to the entire face except for the eye area, since that is where I will use the concealer. I apply hypoallergenic liquid eye concealer to the under eye area and the T-zone. It's my favorite way of creating a fresh makeup look. Now it's time for contouring. I will be using cream contour products because that's how we can achieve the most natural sun-kissed effect. I will apply hypoallergenic contour stick using my finger for the most natural result. It's time for the blush. I will use hypoallergenic creamy rouge glow stick. This simple trick helps achieve a bright glow on the cheeks and a more youthful look. Now I will powder the face with hypoallergenic compact powder SPF 50. The UV protection in the powder will help protect the skin on sunny days. I apply hypoallergenic Face&Body Illuminating powder to the temples, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and the area under the eyebrows. I will accentuate the brows using HYPOAllergenic Eyebrow Set, which include a brush and a brow spoolie. We will move to the eye makeup now. I apply hypoallergenic waterproof stick eyeshadow to the entire lid. It will help the makeup last all day, even when it's hot outside. I apply brown eyeshadow from HYPOAllergenic Nude Eyeshadow palette to the crease. Next, I will switch my brushes and apply the same eyeshadow to the lower lash line. It's a great way of achieving the illusion of a bigger eye. I will use the same hypoallergenic waterproof stick eyeshadow I used earlier to highlight the inner corner area. I will apply a flesh tone hypoallergenic longwear eye pencil to the waterline. It will help reduce the appearance of tired eyes. Now I will use my favorite hypoallergenic curling mascara on the lashes. I will be applying it using a zigzag motion. Now it's time for the lips. Today I go for a metallic finish that is currently in style. I will use hypoallergenic metallic liquid lips. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed our video and see you next time. Mwah! Bye!